Hey, Barry Wilson again at Wilson Auto Repair, getting ready to take the front clip off of this Camaro. The front clip is, dial that in a little bit, it's going to be the front fenders and the grill. So this whole front end on this car will soon be sitting on the ground as soon as these strong guys pick it up and remove it. So just for the fun of it, we're going to get to watch. Go ahead, guys. Yep, we got a wire holding on to us, I think. Somebody get some wire cutters and cut that. We will soon take this clip apart and strip it on down so we can paint it. But this is the easiest way to remove it at the moment, because what we're going to do then is remove this engine and the frame that it's attached to right here and all the components, and put a new frame in there with a better suspension system and an LS engine and transmission. This is going to be a dynamite car when we're done. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair. Go to my website to see more of these videos, wilsonauto.com.